Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add a free download incentive with Mailchimp. This is a powerful way to grow your email list by offering something valuable in exchange for a subscriber's contact information, whether that's a coupon code, an ebook, or access to a free course. First, open a web browser and navigate to Mailchimp.com. Once the page loads, click the login button and enter your account credentials to access your Mailchimp dashboard. This is where you'll manage all aspects of your email marketing campaigns and subscriber lists. After logging in, look to the left-hand side of your screen and click on the menu item labeled Audience. An expanded menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Audience Dashboard. This will take you to the main hub where you can view and manage your subscriber information. Next, click on Manage Audience. Another expanded menu will pop up with various tools for managing your contacts. From these options, click on Sign Up Forms. This is where you'll create and customize the forms that potential subscribers will use to join your list. In the Form Builder, you'll see the different forms available in your account. Select the form you want to use for your freebie incentive. This is the form subscribers will fill out to receive your download, so choose one that's already active or create a new one specifically for this purpose. Now you'll need to choose the type of form that works best for your needs. Mailchimp offers several options, including a landing page sign-up form, an embedded form for your website, or a contact form. Select the one that fits how you plan to collect subscriber information. Once you've selected your form type, enter a name for your form. This helps you keep track of different sign-up forms in your account. You'll then be presented with various form templates. Browse through these and choose the one that fits your style and branding. Templates make it easy to create professional-looking forms without starting from scratch. When you're in the editor page, look for the elements you can add to your form. Drag a button block onto your form. This button will be what subscribers click to access your free download after they sign up. From the customization menu on your right side panel, you'll see options to personalize your button. In the button text field, enter a name for your button, something like download your free guide or claim your coupon. Make it clear and compelling so subscribers know exactly what they're getting. Now comes the crucial step. In the link to field, click the drop-down menu and select File. This opens up the option to upload your incentive file directly. Simply upload whatever you're offering, whether that's a PDF ebook, a coupon code document, or access information for a free course. Mailchimp will host this file and deliver it through the button you just created. Once you've added your file and customized your button, click on Save and Close. Your sign-up form is now ready with a free download incentive attached. Subscribers who fill out your form will be able to access your freebie immediately, giving them instant value and giving you a new contact for your email list. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.